Hello everyone, I'm Joe Minert, the City of Bowie Planning Director, and I'd like to invite you to an open house public workshop which will be held at the Kenhill Center concerning the Bowie Race Track Property. There was a workshop held back in December where we had a lot of participation from the public. We were looking at recreational uses for this property. In addition to that, the city conducted a survey and we received overwhelming response, over 2,600 responses to our survey. This coming workshop will review the results of the survey with the community. We will review 3 concept plans that have been created by the task force, racetrack task force, and also share information that's been gathered from Park and Planning on their current assessment of recreation opportunities in this portion of the Prince George's County. The last video that we did had thousands of responses, views, and we'd like to have you come out and hope to see you there. This will be an open house format, and please come out and participate. We'd like to have your ideas.
The Bowie Race Track Recreational Concepts Workshop will take place on Saturday, May the 13th from 9 a.m. to noon at the Kenhill Center, located at 2614 Kenhill Drive. For more information, you can visit us at cityofbowie.org/racetrack.